Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. Today our topic is division without and with remainder. So today I will teach you how can you do the division with and without remainder. So let's start our today's lesson. Division without remainder. Here you have to divide 10 by 2. So first of all, what you need to do? So for doing the division, you need to follow some steps. So first step is you have to arrange the numbers in their respective places. As you have know that in this case you have to divide 10 by 2. So let us arrange the numbers in their respective places. Here 10 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So you have to divide this 10 by 2. So you need to put 2 here and 10 here. This is the place of dividend. This is the place of divisor. Okay. So now you need to follow the second step. What is the second step? Recite the multiplication. Here you need to divide 10 by 2. So you need to recite the multiplication table of 2. Recite the multiplication table of 2 and find how many times 2 goes in 10. So here you need to divide 10 by 2. So you need to recite the multiplication table of 2 and find out how many times 2 go in 10. Okay. So as you know that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So that is 2 goes in 10 5 times. 2 multiplied by 5 gives 10. That means 2 goes in 10 5 times. So you need to write 5 above 10 and you need to 2 5s are 10. So you need to write 10 below 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. That is the remainder is 0. Here the remainder is 0. Quotient is, what is the quotient? The answer which we can get after division, that is called quotient. So 5 is the quotient. Divisor is 2. Dividend is 5. So this is how you can do the division. Let us do another division. Divide 50 by 10. Divide 50 by 10. Divide 50 by 10. 50 divided by 10. So first of all you need to arrange this number in their respective places. 10 as the divisor, 50 as the dividend. So now you need to find out how many times 10 goes in 50. How many times 10 goes in? So recite the multiplication table of 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50. 10 5s are 50. So you need to write 5 above 50 and below 50 you need to write 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. So the quotient is 5. Remainder is 0. Okay. So this is how you can do the division without remainder. So you just need to remember all the steps and do them correctly to reach the answer. Okay. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. So now let's come to your book. Which example is given to your book? You have to do the division. 8. You have to divide 40 by 8. First of all you need to remember the multiplication table of 8 and find how many times 8 goes into 40. 4 5s are 40. So you need to write here 5 and you need to write here 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. Next 9. You need to divide 63 by 9. So you need to remember the multiplication table of 9 and find how many times 9 goes in 63. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 7s are 63. So you need to write here 7 and you need to write here 63. 9 7s are 63, 63 minus 63 is 0. Next, you need to divide 42 by 6. So you need to find out how many times 6 goes in 42. 6 sevens are 42. So 6 goes in 42 7 times. Okay, so you have to do this division by yourself. Next, you have to complete this page number 112. Okay, next page 113 page. Fill in the boxes. Here some divisions are given. You have to do the division. 18 divided by 3 gives how much? So you need to remember, here you need to divide 18 by 3. You need to divide 18 by 3. That means you need to remember the multiplication table of 3, and you need to find out how many times 3 goes in 18. How many times 3 goes in 18? 3 6 are 18. So that means 3 goes in 18 6 times. So you need to write as 6. Next, 56 divided by 7. So you have to find out how many times 7 goes in 56. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are 56. So 7 goes in 56 8 times. So you need to write here 8. Okay. So this is how you will find the quotient. Okay. So you have to complete up to this. Page number 112 and from page number 113 up to this. Okay. Now you will know how can you do the division with remainder. You know that what is remainder? The number which we can which is left over after division. Division এর পরে যে নাম্বারটা পড়ে থাকে আমরা সেই নাম্বারটিকে বলি remainder. So let us do a division with remainder. 21 divided by 5. So you have to divide 21 by 5. Okay, so first of all you have just before you have learned how can you do the division without remainder. So you have to follow the same steps. Which steps you have applied for division without remainder? So first of all, what you need to do? First of all, you have to arrange the numbers in their respective places. 21 divided by 5. So that means 21 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. So you have to place 21 in the place of dividend and you have to place 5 in the place of divisor, like this way. And now you have to recite the multiplication table of 5 and you have to find out how many times 5 goes in 21. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. But 25 is greater than 21. So we cannot, so 5 cannot go through 5 times in 21. So 5 4s are 20. So 5 goes 21 4 times. 5 4s are 20. Now 21 minus 20 is 1. So 1 is less than 5. So 5 cannot go 3 in 1. 1 is less than 5. So 5 দিয়ে 1 কে divide করা যাবে না. So this is the remainder. Remainder is 1 and quotient is 4. Okay. Next. 15 divided by 2. So you have to place this number in their respective places, and now you have to recite the multiplication table of 2 and find how many times 2 goes in 15. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. 15 minus 14 is 1. So that is the quotient is 7 and remainder is 1. Okay, so this is how you can find the quotient and remainder in a division with remainder. Now everyone open 115 page from your maths book. Divide and fill the quotient and remainder. You have to divide this 56 by 6. So you have to recite the multiplication table of 6 and find how many times 6 goes into 56. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. But 60 is greater than 56. So 6 9s are 54. 56 minus 54 is 2. So 9 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder. Next, you have to divide this 45 by 6. 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 7s are 42. So 45 minus 42 is 3. So 7 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder. Next, you have to divide this 42 by 8. So first of all, you have to remember the multiplication table of 8 and find how many times 8 goes in 42. 8 5s are 40. So 42 minus 40 is 2. So quotient is 5. Remainder is 2. Next, you have to divide 58 by 7. So you have to remember the multiplication table of 7. 7 8s are 56. 58 minus 56 is 2. So 8 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Okay. So that's how you can find the quotient and remainder in each case. So you have to complete this page, 115 page. And now open the 116 page. Take the correct option. 63 divided by 9 leaves a remainder. No remainder, 8 as quotient. So let us do this division. 63 divided by 9. 9 7s are 63. So the remainder is 0. That means there is no remainder. Next, 76 divided by 9 gives Q for quotient and R for remainder. Okay, so let us do this division. 9 8s are 72. 76 minus 72 is 4. So quotient is 4. Quotient is 8. Remainder is 4. So this will be the correct option. Next, 19 divided by 2 gives what is the quotient and what will be the remainder? 19 divided by 2. So you have to divide this 19 by 2. 2 9s are 18. So 19 minus 18 is 1. So 9 is the quotient, 1 is the remainder. This will be the correct option. Okay. So after in this video, you have in today's video you have learned how can you do the division with remainder and without remainder, and how can you find the quotient and remainder. So after watching this video, you have to complete 116, 115 and 112 and 113 pages up to this. Okay, so you have to complete this task after watching this video, and if you have any doubts in today's class, you can ask me.